Welcome everyone. Here is how to add a back button and get rid of this bar on your Google Pixel phone. So let's start by opening up our settings. Then I want you to scroll all the way down and you want to look for the system option. Inside of here, I want you to choose navigation mode. So the one just above gestures. So we'll choose navigation mode. And you have gesture navigation set by default. And when you tap free button navigation, immediately we have the buttons back, and then we have that back button right here. Now, real quick, if you do choose gesture navigation, if you just swipe from the edge of the screen to right, or the right edge of the screen to left, that will also take you back. However, the buttons are a lot more simpler to use. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.